Hey guys, welcome to back to the channel KD Competence, and today I'm going to show you how to use keyframes. To learn the use of keyframes with easy and simple way, you have to watch this full video. So let's get started. So after opening the Adobe After Effects, we will create a composition like here I created one. Now the thing is, you have to put a picture or a shape on the composition screen. In my case, I am putting my logo on the composition screen. So simply drag the logo and put it on the timeline. So we are able to see the logo. So now I want to animate my logo from left of the screen to middle of the screen, like in this way. So to animate this logo from left to right, we will add a keyframe. Now the topic starts from here, that how to add a keyframe. So we want to animate this from left, so we will place our logo from left side of the composition screen, like this is our composition screen, and put the playhead to the starting of the video and click on this arrow button, and now simply click on transform arrow. Now here's our position which is selected. Now at this point we are seeing these small stopwatches. These are the keyframes. So now we want to animate logo from left to middle of the screen. So place the logo at the left side of the video, outside the video, and click on the stopwatch. Now you can see one keyframe is added to our timeline. So now put the playhead to 2 seconds, like I want to appear my logo after 2 seconds. So drag your logo and place it where you want. Now you can see I am changing the angle, like tilting or like slant. So to animate in the straight path, drag your object and press shift. Now you can see am moving my mouse cursor, and it will not go up and down, it will goes only left or right only. So after that, place the logo in the middle and release the click. So you can see one another keyframe is added here. So let me decrease the composition area, like now I will play this. Our logo is here at the starting of the video, and it will appear like this. So our logo enters in this way, but now I want that it goes with rotation and like this. So place the playhead to 4 seconds, like I want to place my logo, or you can say hold my logo for 2 seconds here and click again. Now you have to click on this keyframe button. Now press it on it. Now you have a keyframe add on it. Now simply again place your playhead to 6 seconds. Now like I want to exit my logo in 2 seconds. So again we drag the logo and press shift in a straight way and place it outside the composition screen. So it will take some time for processing. So after that, we had an animation like it will comes stop here in the middle and goes in the right side. So now I want that my logo appears like goes from here with the rotation. So we will add a same rotation. Click on the rotation stopwatch, and it will add a keyframe to our timeline. Now at this place the rotation is 0. Now place the playhead to 6 seconds, like 6 seconds I have placed, like this is it. Now I want to rotate some, like simply we will put the rotation value. So like I will put 1 rotation. So you can see the one keyframe is added. Now the animation is looking like comes, stop, goes with rotation. So in this way you can add a keyframe. Now you are seeing the animation is boring, like simple animation. So to change the animation, or you can say to make the animation creative, we will go to the starting of the point and select these keyframes, position keyframes, and right click on them and go to keyframe assistant and eases them. You can also press F9 to eases them. Now after eases them, we have graph settings here. So in graph settings we are changing the speed graph, so let's change it. So like I am selecting these points, so you can see these small yellow dots, drag it like this, and in my case I am using my favorite graph settings. So in this, like, our logo appears in this way and goes in this way. So it's very interesting and easy to use. Now I want to change the rotation graph also. So select these keyframes, again go to keyframe assistant and press eases. Now we are again going to graph and let me select these points and change the graph settings. So like this way I have changed. So let's play this. So you can see this area is very fast and gold goes with very simple. Like I want to rotate it more, so let's change the graph settings like more, and this, like now it appear, stops, rotate and go. Like I want to rotate from that point. Now let's play this. So you can adjust the keyframe by selecting and dragging it on it, and like I want to rotate from here, put it there, and you can see now rotation is going on. So this video is our basic video on keyframe in After Effects. So at the last, thanks for watching our video and do subscribe.